First, just watch this. Satisfying, right? And guess what? That was made entirely with AI. No camera, no editing, no actual glass. Now let me show you exactly how to create videos like this for free. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to make ultra-realistic AI-generated ASMR videos, like glass cutting, and you don't need a real camera, editing software, or even actual glass. Just ChatGPT plus Canva AI, and the best part? I'll even show you how to get Canva Pro for free. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an ultra-realistic 8K AI-generated ASMR glass cutting video. So grab a drink, relax, and follow along. Let's jump into step 1. Step 1. Go to ChatGPT and get your prompt. Okay, step 1 is all about getting the perfect prompt. First, open up Google and type ChatGPT. Click the first link. It's going to be chat.openai.com. If you don't have an account, sign up. It's free. If you already have one, just log in. Now in the chat box, you're going to type this message. Hello ChatGPT, I want you to write a good prompt to make an 8K ASMR AI glass cutting video. And boom, ChatGPT will give you a full, descriptive prompt in a few seconds. Now pause for a second and really read that. This is what the AI needs to visualize and animate your scene. You can even ask ChatGPT to give you multiple versions. So once you're happy with your prompt, copy it, and let's move to the next step. Step 2. Go to Canva and search for Magic Media. Now let's move on to step 2. Head back to Google, and this time type Canva, and click on the official site, canva.com. Sign up with your email. Any email works. Or log in if you already have an account. Once you're in your Canva dashboard, look to the left side and click on Canva AI. Here is an option create a video clip. But you can see here it need Canva Pro account. So don't worry, I will show you how to get Canva Pro for free. Now log out your Gmail. Step 3. How to get Canva Pro for free using Awesome. Alright, let's unlock Canva Pro without paying. Open Google again and type Awesome. Click on the first website. It should be oxaam.com. This website provides Canva Pro team invites, mostly for educational and creative purposes. Once you're on the site, here write random name anything you want, also type randomly Gmail contact number and password, and click on register. Now here are two options. One is for chat to use Pro features. Second is for Canva Pro, so click on Canva Pro option. Copy the email and go to the Canva site and click on continue with new email and sign up with that email. Paste it and click on continue. Now for code, go back to the Awesome site and click on this link. Now from here, copy the code and paste it in Canva. If it show error like code is incorrect, then go back to the Awesome site and copy the new one and paste it again in Canva and click on continue. And boom, you are now in Canva Pro without paying anything. Tip: use a spare or backup email account if you prefer to keep your main one private. Let's get back to video generation. Step 4. Generate your ASMR video in Canva AI. Now go back to Canva and refresh the page if needed. Now click on Canva AI. Here you can see we are now in Pro version, so click on it. Choose the aspect ratio to 16:9 and choose duration. Now go back to the chat and copy the prompt you generated and paste it in Canva. Now click on submit and wait 2 to 3 minutes. And boom, here is the result. And that's it. You just learned how to make awesome AI glass cutting ASMR videos using ChatGPT and Canva for free. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with the next ASMR idea you want me to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay creative.